Welcome to our video today. I will tell you how to fix the Roku U.S. region error that sometimes pops up after an update. First, make sure you're not using a VPN or proxy. Roku sees your IP and locks content availability to that region. So even if you're physically in the US, network routing from elsewhere can trigger errors. Next, check that your Roku account is actually set to the US region. This setting is fixed once the account is created and cannot be changed. So if it's wrong, you'll need to factory reset your Roku and link it to a new US based account created with the US IP and US billing info. That's the only way to realign region metadata. After that, restart your Roku via Home, Settings, then System, and then System Restart. Ensure the latest software update is installed, and then reinstall the affected channel. Finally, confirm your zip code and billing address are US based in your Roku account online so region alignment sticks. This one-stop toggle resets the system stop region-based access problems. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful guides like this.